everybody! Welcome back to week 2 of Learning BSL. Thank you so much for joining us again, and thank you very much for the amazing comments, the amazing responses. We are loving the videos that you guys are sending. Plus, we have been in the newspaper, so top celebrities here. So thank you very much for that. If you are joining us today, then welcome. Do go back on our videos because we've already done a full week of lessons. So if you go back to lesson 1, catch up with the week, then you can come back to today's lesson. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's what we would recommend. Before we begin, we must say again that sign language can be a little bit different depending on what part of the country you're from. So for example, if you're in the northeast of England, you might sign a little bit different to how people sign in the south of England. So for example, you can sign colours like this, colours, or you can sign colours like this, colours. So there are some small differences, but we just want to teach you a new skill and motivate you to learn sign language, and you can communicate with the deaf community. Now Kelly-Ann is deaf and she's going to teach us how to sign. So Kelly-Ann, you're going to teach us, I'm going to learn with you, and I'm going to learn with all of you at home. So if you're ready, we're ready, let's begin. Good afternoon. Last week we taught you different colours, different animals, numbers, food and lots more. Now this week we're going to try and sign a lot more, and we're going to try and create full sentences that you can use around the house. So let's begin with questions. Okay, so our questions are who, what, where, when, why and how. Let's begin with who. How do we sign who, Kelly-Ann? Who. Okay, so like this, index finger pointing to your chin in a who-like position, but you're going to move it circular. Okay, index finger to the chin in a circular position, just like so. So this is who. Or you can sign this a different way, like this. Index finger bent, just like so, in a C-like position. Bring it to your chin. And that's who. Or who. And we sign what like this. Index finger, what. It's almost like you're saying no. This is what. So we've got who, what. We sign where like this, where, so where. Okay, so your hands like they're presenting something, or like you're searching for something. Hands flat, where. Circular motions, and again, where. When, how do we sign when, Kelly? Okay, so hand on the side of your cheek, and you're just moving your fingertips. Okay, this is when. And when. Why, how do we sign why? Index finger to your shoulder, and this is why. Now remember, you can swap sides. You can do it on this side, whatever is most comfortable for you. So if you're left-handed, you might do it on this side, but we're right-handed, so we're going to do it on this side, and that is why. And how do we sign how, Kelly? Okay, this is a little bit trickier. So hands, just like so, turn them and just bend them inwards like so, very good. And inside like that, and you're gonna pop your knuckles together. This is a little bit of a tricky one to explain, so let's try it again. Bend, turn them inwards, very good. And just pop your knuckles together. And that's how. So now you know your questions. Well done. And now it is time to put your questions into a full sentence. You're doing really good. So let's begin with who are they? Who are they? Okay, so if you wanted to say who are they, you would sign it like that. Or for one person, who is she? Or who is he? Very good. Let's move on to what time is it? This is one you can use every day in your house. like this. Time, what? Okay, let's try that again. Time, what? So something you must remember, in BSL, we don't always use full sentences, we just use the main words. So that does mean, what time is it? But with only 2 words, so time, what? You can start using that one every single day. And another one, when does it start? So for example, if you were going to watch a film, your favourite film on TV, and you wanted to know when does it start, you can sign like this. Start, when. So you go backwards on this one, you sign the word start and then the word when. So let us teach you start. Flat hand out like this, okay? Facing forwards. Thumbs up, turn it round, and it's just going to brush down. Okay, so this is start, very good. Start, when. So that means when does it start? Start, when. And another one, why are you late? This is a good question. How do we sign that, Kelly-Ann? Late. Okay, so you've got your L, your flat hand, very good. And you're going to pop it on your palm, very good. And you're going to rotate the L. Okay, so L into the palm and downwards. Very good. And why are you late, Kelly-Ann? Late, why? Okay, so it'll be late. Why? And that means why are you late? Late. Why? Another one, how are you? This is another one you can use every single day. Last week we signed like this, how are you? But you can do this another way. Each way is correct, so whichever way you want to choose. Either how are you, or sorry, how, very good, are you? So you remember our how from before, how are you, or how are you? Well done everyone. Pause this video, go back, and you can learn those questions as many times as you like. We'll see you in a minute. So we have a big question. Who likes to party? Because we know we do, but do you like to party? It's time to teach you how to sign different celebrations throughout the year and important dates. So let's begin with Easter. That's coming up very soon. Kelly-Ann, how do we sign Easter? Back of your hand, thumbs up, turn it to the left, to the side, and we're going to draw a cross on the back of our hand. So down and across. One more time, palm of your hand, thumbs up, to the side, down and across. So we would say Happy Easter. Very good. Or another way you can sign that is Easter, like a big yummy Easter egg. I love Easter eggs. Easter. So Happy Easter or Happy Easter. Very good. We'll move on to another day, is Pancake Day. I know we've missed it, but this is handy to know anyways. Pancake Day, Pancake Day. So just like you're flipping an invisible pancake. Very good. Well, you might even have some pancakes on Easter morning. Pancakes. Well done everyone. Let's move on to Happy Halloween. Halloween's like this, happy, very good, or Halloween. So like you've got your witch's fingers and you're moving them, so scary. And that's Happy Halloween. Very good. Another celebration or important date is Bonfire Night, and you sign it like this. Like you've got an imaginary fire in your hands. Very good, and your fire's going up and down, up and down. This is Bonfire Night. And the biggest celebration of all time ever for me and you is Christmas. So we sign Christmas like this, Christmas. So back of your hand, your other hand on top, and you're going to swipe it back, and then you're going to plonk on top of this like position, okay? Like a little turtle. Christmas. So happy Christmas. Or you can sign it a different way. Christmas. I like this way. Christmas. Just like you're rubbing your Santa's beard. Christmas. You would say Happy Christmas. And another date is Happy New Year's. This is a good one to know. It's Happy New Year. Let's teach you so you know you're happy now. So yeah is the back of your hand, just like so. Have you got that? This is a little bit of a tricky one to explain. And your other hand, and you're just going to swipe up. So just brush it up. So this means new. Ready? New. Well done. So Happy New Year. And that's a Y. So like we learned with our alphabet last week, yeah. Y, okay? So let's try that one more time. Happy New Year. Very good. Or if mum and dad have a happy anniversary, you can tell them by signing this. Happy anniversary. So you're pointing at your A for your alphabet. Happy anniversary. Very good, Kelly-Ann. Thank you very much. And another one that we all have is a happy birthday. And you sign it like this. Happy birthday. So almost like you're presenting something. That is birthday. Ready? Birthday. Oh, happy birthday. Very good. So let us teach you some birthday words that you might need to use. Let's begin with balloon. We sign balloon like this. Almost like you're blowing up a big balloon. Let's try that again. That's really fun. Balloon. Or you might have a birthday cake. So how do we sign cake, Kelly? Birthday. Back of your hand, you have a C upside down. Oh, sorry, a full C, just like that. Use all your fingers, big C. Turn it round, and on top, you're just going to plonk it on top. Tap, tap. So this is birthday cake. Or for your birthday, you might have a party. How would you sign party, Kelly-Ann? Cool. So it's very similar to festival. You have your thumb and your little pinky, thumb, pinky on both sides. But this time we're just going back and forward. So just twist your wrists. So birthday, party, party, party. Yay, well done everyone. And you might get some cards. So how would you sign card, Kelly? Card. So almost like you're reading a book. This is card. So birthday card or birthday presents. So they're the best. How will you sign presents? Oh, very good. So like a box, box, box. So birthday present. Well done. Let's try that again. Present. Very good. So you've got your card, you've got your presents, you've got a birthday party. What about your candles on your cake? How do you sign candles? So just like you've got your little index finger, pretend it's a candle, back and forward, and you're just going to blow out the candle. Because you need a candle for your birthday cake. Well done, everyone. And if it is your birthday today, then happy birthday. We have had quite a few requests to teach you how to sign happy birthday, and we will. But if it's your birthday this week or next week, let us know, comment below, let us know it's your birthday, and we will send you a very special message. So, are you all ready to sing and sign happy birthday? So it is time to sing and to sign happy birthday. Let us teach you. It goes like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Whoever's birthday it is. So if it's mum's birthday, it could be like this, mum. 3 fingers for M. Happy birthday to mum. Or dad, happy birthday to dad. If it's anybody else, then just sign their name so you know your alphabet now. If it was my birthday, happy birthday to Tash. I just make it a little bit shorter so it's easier. Or Kelly-Ann, happy birthday to Kelly. and just Kelly it would be. Happy birthday to Kelly, so you make it a little bit easier for yourself. Now today we're going to sing happy birthday to Matthew. Now Matthew is sitting behind the camera. He's been our camera guy. He's been editing all of our videos together, so thank you, Matthew. And we're going to sing happy birthday to you because it's nearly your birthday. This song is very fast, so everybody be ready. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Matt. Happy birthday to you. And again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Matt. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Matthew. Well done, everybody at home. Great signing. That was excellent. If you know it's anybody's birthday this week, next week, let us know. Record yourself singing happy birthday and send it out there. Share the love. And a big happy birthday to Matthew as it's nearly his birthday. And if you want to check out our really cool videos, because Matthew is a magician and I do it with Matthew too, so click on our link below in the description and we will share some of our videos of us doing some really cool magic around the world. So check that out after this lesson, and big well done for taking part in this lesson. Keep sharing it, subscribe, like, spread the love, spread the positivity, and we will catch you again tomorrow at 1 o'clock. See you there. Bye bye.